Hello there, and welcome to Drawing with the Blakleys. I'm Dad.
I'm Hannah.
Hi, Hannah. Hey, Hannah. Oh, excuse me. Who are we drawing today?
Tarta Bird.
That's our Tarta Bird from Garten of Banban. Thank you to the folks you see here on your screen. Thank you, people. Both new suggesters and returning suggesters. Hannah's being a little bit weird. So, we drew a pillow bird. And now we're drawing Tarta Bird. They're kind of similar. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Alright. What do you want to start with?
I.
Alrighty. Oh, sorry, I'm a little tired today. They say a certain 3-year-old woke up in the middle of the night and I had to get up with her. But she didn't go around and trash the house and drink unhealthy things or whatever.
You drunk dog.
I don't know what you would drink. So 2 eyes. And then let's draw the beak.
How do you make a beak?
Well, in this case, we're going to make a big, long, like almost like an upside down J. And then we're going to connect where we started to where we end. Like that. And go down.
You see me color this black.
Oh my gosh. I can't stop yawning today. Alright, now let's start from that beak now. And we'll go up and over the top of the head and down the back of the neck. And then, since we're up here, we might as well do the 3 feathers coming off the top. Mm-hmm. A little glitter on there. Alright, now let's move. We'll draw an imaginary line to here, and we'll go down.
I know you guys don't know I lost a tooth a couple of days ago.
Mm-hmm.
I dropped it down the drain.
Oh, no. I don't know why I'm saying oh no, I didn't know that happened. Alright, nice. We're not at the end of this line. Oh, sorry, I keep yawning, but just a little bit up from it, we're going to make a second line. We're going to leave a gap here. And that's where Tarta Bird's wing is going to go. So let's start here. We'll make a line that arches up, comes back down, and then
Mine is
like that.
Piney's cute version.
Mm-hmm.
This neck is a little longer.
And then we'll do the same thing. We'll go down.
Why did I messed up. I made line.
That's fine. Just do this. Alright.
That could be one of my lines for.
Mm-hmm. We'll make the legs here. So you're going to go like that, and then just slightly bend downward. Ever so slightly. Into the 1, 2, 3 toes. Kind of bumpy on the top. And then straight on the bottom. Just ever so bumpy on the top. Straight on the bottom. And there's one leg.
Daddy, could you help me?
Mm-hmm.
To the sausages. To live sausages.
Alright, we'll move over. We'll make a second leg that's pretty much straight. And again, this is a pretty common pose, but usually with a lot of these figures that we draw, one leg is turned and one leg is straight. So we get 2 different angles on the feet.
feet look like sausage.
Sausages. And then, of course, in the game, Tarta Bird, just like a Pilla Bird, has some kind of scuffs.
This is her heart.
Scratches.
This is her heart beating.
Well, this is actually he. This is the male version, and the a Pilla Bird is a female version.
So it's a he.
So this one, for once, I'm actually saying he, and it's actually correct.
There was a girl who was saying it's a girl, it's actually a boy.
Sometimes I don't know, or I incorrectly assume the genders of these things that we draw. But this time, I know for a fact that it's a guy.
I'm coloring in this. I made his heart.
Oh, good.
His heart bump. You could see his heart.
Just gonna add a little bit of this texture here.
I made my eye a little too big.
That's okay. All right. So at this point, Hannah, and also friends at home, we can do the coloring section. Sped up. Add some color. Excuse me. Add some shading, and then yeah, then we'll come back and talk to you a little bit more. How's that sound, Hannah?
Okay.
Let's do it. Alright, well, there you go. Tarta Bird Cool Beans.
Look at mine.
I know, it's very cool.
I added the heart.
You did. Nice job, honey. Oh, excuse me. I can't stop yawning. Although I don't think I yawned at all during the coloring portion. I think I'm just tired of talking, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, gang, that's gonna be all for us, I think. Anything you want to add, Miss Hannah Jane?
No.
Well then.
All I want to add is you.
Oh, what a sweetheart. I think I'm just gonna bring a little bit of white into here. Just like kind of open up those tones just a little bit.
You cannot see the white.
Oh, it's not meant to be super white, it's just meant to lighten up. Blend a little lightness into here. Oh, don't call out mommy though when I'm coloring it, when I'm blending it. Okay. Alright friends, that's all for this time. If you want to see more, you want that? If you want to see more of this stuff, all you gotta do is suggest it. Because we pretty much just do suggestions. So if you want what you want to see on here, yeah, that doesn't even really make sense. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the other things. Till next time, friends. Goodbye.